Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you button crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. We are exploring creative fearful button craft ideas. Button may be small, but they can be transformed into amusing workbook of whether you have a collection of colorful buttons at home or a box of or spare buttons. There are countless ways to use them in a fun and creative project. Button crafts are effortless, easy to make, and suitable for walls, banners, and crafts. They are perfect for home decor, gifts, seasonal decoration, and family craft activities. One of the most popular button crafts is button wallet. Button can be arranged into beautiful shapes such as heart, flower, butterfly, tree, animals. Simple glue the buttons into a convenience or wooden board to create a colorful and unique piece of art. And friends, using as a leaves, creative appropriate and eye-catching design. You can choose green button for a spring tree colors, button for a summer tree, orange red button for autumn, or white button for a winter tree. Another beautiful idea is creating button flowers. Button make perfect flower centers and petal. These flowers can be used in creating cards, wallet, picture frame, and decorative arrangement. They never be it stay beautiful all years long. Button picture frame are easy and fun to create. A plain frame can be transformed by covering it with a button of different color and size. This simple project instantly adds personality and charm to family photograph and special memories. So friends, many people enjoy making button bookmark. Button attached to ribbon, a paper clip, or elastic cord create practical and decorative bookmark. They are perfect gifts for book lovers and can be costumes in many different styles. So viewers, button walls are beautiful decoration for doors and walls. Using a wall base zone of colorful button, you can create a unique wall that reflects your personal style. Season color can make the wall suitable for different times for the years. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more details. Updates. So viewers, Allah will see you in the next video. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my video. So Allah will see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. Viewers, so like, share and subscribe for more latest updates. Press the bell icon for more.